Pathfinder is 2 meters lower than last night. The ice lens is melting faster than the sims predicted. I'm running out of ground.
If that APU goes down with the ship, this colony dies before the first brick is even laid. I have to pull it out today.
All right, 3 primary shear points around the APU. Critical extraction.
Okay.
If the hull shifts,
Come on, just get in. Lock. Okay. Deep breath.
Loneliness isn't the silence. It's the sound of the only heartbeat on a planet, and knowing it's the only one that matters right now.
The reactor heat is turning the subsurface permafrost into a slurry. It's a hydrothermal sinkhole. Simple physics, deadly consequences. "50 years old and I'm playing tug of war with a sinking starship. My back's gonna hate me, but the Hab needs those lungs."
Keep it together, Grant. Scan for the shift.
Hydraulic cutters are heavy. On Earth, it's a 2-man job. Here, it's just me and a lot of redirected leverage.
Arg! Heavy. Got it.
Oxygen seals look good. Pressure is stable. It's the ground I don't trust. Mars looks solid until it decides to swallow you whole.
Help! It's gonna fall.
Checking the rover's winch. If I have to drag that module out, I need every newton of force this machine can muster. Everything is packed. The APU is the priority. Anything else is secondary, including, if it comes to it,
the rover itself.
Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. System ready.
Sun's up. The shadows are long. Time to see how much of my future is still above the surface.
Keep it steady. Back it up a little more. Stop. That's it. We're aligned.
All right. Just need to bend this back into place. Easy. Grant, what's the status? Working on it, copy? It's not budging easily. If the rails don't take the weight, I'm stuck out here with a 10-ton paperweight and a dead hab.
Keep it steady. No, not this way. Hold, damn you, hold!
Come on. Just a little more. God, that's smarts. Are you all right?
Too much exposure. I can feel the metallic taste in the back of my throat. But the APU doesn't care about my health.
It's breathing. Not well, but it's breathing. If I can bridge this to the main hab scrubbers, we might actually make it.
That sound. It's the sound of the next 500 days. It's the sound of not dying today.
Damn it. The dust.
Pathfinder 9 is gone. Swallowed by the ground, it was meant to settle. But its heart is still beating right here in the hab.
Personal log. Mission status remains critical. I've depleted the reserves. If anyone finds this, I did everything I could. The ship sounded as it was pulled into the crust by the weight of failure. The APU has given us breath. This is the final log. Tomorrow I'll have to check the radiation seals on the rover. If I don't, the dust will finish what the reactor started.
I saved the lungs of this place.
One more day of radiation meds and I should be clear to start the rover dedusting. Mars doesn't wait for you to heal. Rover status: critical dust accumulation. Executing self-clean. Standby for EVA prep. I'm the only engineer on this rock. If I stop, the air stops. And I'm not ready to stop breathing just yet.